guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope that you guys are doing really well, really good and please सब अपने घरों में safe रहो, सुरक्षित रहो. This is the only thing I try to ask you guys every time, at every moment and during every video. And yeah, so this video is about reviewing the Zoe One Day Detox box. So yeah, I'll be showing you कि इस box में क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं, what all things does it contains, and also I'll be posting another video of the follow of this Zoe One Day Detox box, and I'll be showing you the schedule I'm following and the things I'm taking, like at what time I'm taking what thing from this box. Like I can see they have given some details, like according to the name they have given and mentioned the time at what time you have to do what thing. So in the next video I'll be posting that, and in this video I'll be showing you what all does it contains. Congrats on your decision to do the detox. Please read the diet chart in detail for an in-depth explanation of the detox process. This detox diet is specially designed to help you lose weight, to give your digestive system a day's break, as well as to improve your immunity and metabolism. Ayurveda recommends that you practice fasting or detoxing at least once a week to complete rejuvenate your mind, body and soul. Include mild exercise like 30 to 45 minutes walk or yoga to your detox day schedule for better results. You are only supposed to consume the items inside the box the entire day, nothing else. In case you are not able to wake up between 6 a.m. to 8 a.m., it is completely fine. Please start the detox whenever you wake up and check the timings accordingly. Love and good health, Team Zoe. And things to remember are given and the schedule to be followed. So let's open this box. Tantana! Okay. So these are the things it contains. Feel the optimism, and this is maybe some flavored tea. Feel the growth, again it is a tea, like flavored tea of course, and then again a tea, and name given to is Feel Love. Again a tea, Feel the Goodness. Okay, so yeah, this might be the diet chart. Yeah, it is given diet chart to be followed with the 1 day and 1 month detox. What is detox fasting? Like they have given things to read about, benefits of fasting / detox, signs that you need to detox. Then is it for me, introduction to the 1 month plan. I remember I read the names of the teas, so according to that the timings are given according to what time we have to consume what, and then recommended diet plan when you are not doing the one day detox. Some useful tips are given, and on the next page again the recommendation diet plan on regular days. If I only order 1 week detox box, then it is I have to do 1 day detox and the other 6 days I have to follow this diet plan. Then it has mentioned foods to be taken, foods to be avoided, important points to be noted, and what after the 1 month detox plan. It is mentioned that the diet, the detox and the diet should be followed at least for 6 months to lose around 20 kilos. So I guess I need to order more. Okay, so the next thing is instant face glow pack, and it contains sandalwood, rak chandan, amba haldi, ushi rose petals, tulsi, kapoor, kachri, fuller earth. The benefits to it removes dark spots, acts as a anti-aging and gives your skin a radiant glow. So yeah, आप देख सकते हो कि जो Zoe है, they are like they provide you your face detox, like it provides you glowing skin and the detox for your body. Okay, so this is the pack, and then it comes to Feel the Fuel, and it is almond and raisin muesli. Then we come to, so yeah, these are the 4 juices. First one is Feel the Bliss. This is a bale juice. Then Feel the Purpose, Ampanna. Then Feel the Wind, this is vegetable juice. And then Feel the Passion, this is falsa juice. And last one, last but not the least, is Feel the Zeal, and it is tomato soup. So yeah, मतलब ये आपको भूखा नहीं रहने देंगे tomato soup के उससे. And so yes, these are the things I got from the one day detox box. It contains 4 juices, 1 muesli, 1 face pack, and 4 types of teas, and also a soup. And plus that, cherry on the cake, cherry on the top of the cake, somewhat like that, is the diet chart. And I feel that कि diet chart बहुत ज़्यादा easy है. Like what I have read is कि आप मतलब बहुत सारे variations and they like tell you कि हर 1 घंटे बाद कुछ ना कुछ खाते रहो. तो अगर आप ये diet plan ना भी follow करो तो you can like eat some like छोटा छोटा quantity में कुछ भी हर 1 hour बाद आप कुछ खा सकते हो. According to me, I prefer you guys कि आप लोगों को एटलीस्ट एक बार तो ये यूज़ करना चाहिए. मतलब एज सच को इतना वास्ट अमाउंट नहीं है मतलब उस पर आपको इन्वेस्ट करने लायक. तो आप वन डे डिटॉक्स में दे आर लाइक गिवन कि आप 1 to 1.5 kgs का लाइक डिफरेंस आप ज़रूर फील करोगे एंड बॉडी को डिटॉक्स करने में कोई हार्म नहीं है. So yeah, you should at least like use 1 detox box from Zoe, and उसके बाद you can feel the like changes in yourself. And for the next part, like the follow-up part for this detox box, stay connected. Bye guys. So much love to you. Bye.